All right, TGIF, we are talking what's buzzing in Baltimore on this Friday. The Ravens flock working extra hard in the offseason to give back to the community. No surprise there. A little bit of snow not going to stop Bradley Bozeman and his wife, Nikki. The Bozeman Foundation packed dozens of boxes for families in need. They were given out this afternoon at the Sink Mount Pleasant Food Distribution Hub. The foundation says it's ready to tackle hunger and food insecurity no matter what the weather is.
And speaking of the snow, lions at the Maryland Zoo, they had a little fun yesterday. You can see here, Hassan just minding his own business, and then Zuri jumps out of the bushes in a little sneak attack there. The zoo says they are companions, but she is definitely the more playful one, and he is more dignified.
Whether you prefer your coffee hot or iced, there's a new place to check out over in Otterbein. It's called Morning Mug Coffee. They just opened last weekend, taking over the space of the former Hanover and Hughes Collective. So you can get coffee here, cold brew, chai, and maca. I don't know if I said that right. I'm not a big coffee guy. All sorts of pastries for breakfast and lunch. This new spot, opened by a man from Fed Hill, and the name actually comes from his morning ritual that he shares on social media. Get this, he has all these mugs with different colors inside, and every morning when he opens the dishwasher or cabinet, he tries to figure out the color.
I love the name, Morning Mug Coffee. You got to go just for the name.
Yeah, great way to support locals. Stay with us. We'll be right back.